This is my 2017 Ford F350 Lariat dually that has been my tow rig for the past 6 months. This thing is constantly hooked up to a trailer, and we pretty much leave it hooked up to a trailer all the time. We're gonna do some upgrades on the front of this, and we're gonna list all of these used parts on my eBay store. So we're gonna make sure they are nice and clean, take some pictures before, make sure they're ready to take pictures and get listed. So if you haven't checked it out, Motion Performance on eBay, let's get to upgrading. So if you guys didn't know, I bought this thing about a year ago with a blown up engine in it. It has a compound turbo setup on it. We rebuilt a 2020 engine with a camshaft, put the 2020 injectors in it, put the factory 2017 stuff on the engine, and it's been my tow rig for the past like 6 months. It's been freaking awesome. We put like 7,000 miles on it driving across the country. It has a ton of power, but it is a 2017, and I personally love the front ends of the 2020 Super Duties. So what we're gonna be doing today is converting the front of this thing into a 2020 Super Duty. It's pretty nice right now. It's the Lariat trim, which means it has these 2 chrome bars right here. It has the front camera. It has the LED front fog lights, as well as the LED bars, like the little C lamps that go around the headlights. And we're gonna be duplicating that with the 2020 stuff. I have a fresh set of the headlights, the grille, a 2020 front bumper that we paint matched, as well as the LED stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and start tearing this stuff apart and getting it ready to put back together with all the nice stuff. So here is all of the pieces that we're gonna be putting on the truck. So we have the rear bumper, which we still need to put that together. We have the front bumper, which was a paint match black front bumper. We went ahead and painted this the factory like platinum tri-coat color. This thing has the LED fogs, which are really cool. I'm missing this little piece right here, so I need to get that. But other than that, this thing should go right together and look really good. Paint match rear bumper. And since the truck kind of had a chrome package on it, we're gonna do these paint match mirror caps as well as the replacement handles in the front. And these are just some covers that go on the back because I didn't have those. So the OEM handle will actually just come off, but these will actually cover the rear. So that's gonna be one thing that will transform it quite a bit, is just by doing the door handle, right Jamie? She doesn't know, she doesn't care. So just converting these things, just paint matching the handles looks pretty good how it is. So paint matching the top of this, black LED headlights, black grille, white paint match bumper. It's gonna look really good and I'm really excited. I don't know what to think about these. So this is a cap. It just goes on with some double-sided sticky tape because I didn't want to take apart the whole mirror. Boost Auto actually makes a set of replacement caps and they have just a whole mirror. So I thought about doing that, but as of right now, I just wanted to do this quick and make it look different. So this is just a cap. We paint matched it, double-sided sticky, but it looks weird. Like just sticking it on there, it just sticks out. It makes it look like it has a little mushroom top right there. So I might stick it on just for now, just to get me through.
Get the vibes.
Get the vibes of, you know, the paint match. Take a look at this front door handle. So these are kind of weird. They essentially just snap on. Are you ready?
Oh,
It's kind of scary.
it looks scary.
Just spread it out. You might have to give me a minute, but essentially that comes off and then you just snap that fella on. This is paint match door handles. Once you have them, they just, you have to.
It means you're rich.
It means you're rich, okay? Jamie's not good at following the subject. Look at her, she's like this. This is how she was holding the camera right now. She was like looking at me. This truck is a Lariat Ultimate, which is really nice, which means it has like the LED headlights. It has like the lane assist, where if you go off the lane, it like bumps at you. Heated cooled seats, heated steering wheel that doesn't work, which I'm a little upset about, but I definitely feel spoiled driving this truck. I'm excited to put the front end on it, but I'm gonna spread these and I don't know. Maybe I just gotta commit. All right, I committed. Okay, then you gotta put that feller back in there, because that's meant to stay. There we go. That's it. That's nice. That changes it a lot. A paint match door handle. The door handles on these things are super sick too, because you do that to lock it, you do that to open it. That's a game changer. Like if you have like a kid and a camera and a backpack. My last trucks, I remember that was the thing that sucked the most, was like fumbling, trying to find the key in your pocket when you have stuff in your hands. I think I feel a little bit weird about that too, because look at this.
It goes over it?
It goes, well, because I couldn't find the OEM ones of these, so I had the front ones, but I don't have a set of rear ones. So I just got the cheap caps, just for now, to give us the illusion, right?
I want to.
Well, these guys are good. You'll know when you go to grab the handle, it feels like yucky. Like you go to pull on it and you say, ugh. These are temporary, okay? That's what we're gonna do. This is temporary. This is gonna be temporary. You know what's temporary? Life is temporary. All right. All right, so we're gonna take a quick break and introduce you guys to our last winner of project build number 24, which was this S13. Her name is Tracy Steel. She's from Colorado. They're right outside that door right now. So I'm gonna go grab them, bring them in, and get their reaction on the car. And remember, this month we were doing the VIP giveaway. She's actually a VIP, and her VIP entry is what won her this car. And the next month we're doing the R33 is the giveaway. So join the VIP, you're automatically entered. I'm gonna go get them and see what they think of their new car. All right, guys, so we're getting ready to go inside, and we got Dustin and Tracy Steel here. Are you guys excited?
Oh, very. Oh, man.
So I guess let's go inside and see what they think of their new car.
You mind if I go live?
Oh, yeah, that's fine.
Oh, wow. Wow, this is so cool. Can y'all hear me okay?
So it looks like you have one person.
Oh, man, this is so cool. Look, and it's so clean. Wow, the paint job is like perfect on this. And this was painted by Tommy F, yeah, right?
Yeah, I reached out to him. I was like, hey, you still got that car? He's like, yeah. I was like, all right, well, I have an engine.
And this, I thought I had saw this was at the compound at one point.
He actually did a real 180, I think about 2 years ago. So it was a similar setup. It wasn't like a fully built engine or anything, but it was basically a similar color, which is like the factory Type X color. This is actually R34 GTR color. I think it's AR2. So it's actually a different red than the normal Type X red. And you'd never be able to really tell unless you parked them next to each other.
It looks immaculate.
Yeah. Engine bay, door jams, trunk jams, and then, the intercooler piping, exhaust.
It's so clean. Wow. Yeah. Do a burnout. I don't want to break anything. Oh, man. Hit that like button. Oh man. This is so cool.
It has a pretty aggressive clutch in it too, so.
Okay.
It has a coolant temp gauge, like the factory one works. This is actually a gauge that connects to the AEM, so it'll see a lot of the data that the ECU will see. So that's the coolant temp that it's reading off of the ECU. That's the air-fuel ratio, so you can see those kind of match. Seems like coolant temp will be about 170 to like 185 is about where.
Okay.
Up in Loveland, is there any like kind of mountain roads or anything that?
If we head west, sort of, because not really in town. We live mostly in town, so yeah. I mean, I work in town pretty much too.
Do you
But
guys have like a garage and everything?
yeah, for sure. Yeah, we're gonna baby it for sure.
Yeah.
It's like, yeah.
We had another guy who won. He was actually up in Fort Collins. He
Okay,
won the
yeah.
STI. We have a lot of support in Colorado. Like it's actually one of the top 3 states. It's like California, Texas, Colorado, then New York and Florida are like our top states for sales. And I think it's just because we're from Colorado. A lot of people, they see the cars, you see us at events and that sort of thing. But yeah, I think we've had 3, 4. I think you might be the 4th winner from Colorado or the 3rd.
Okay. This is not my Mirage.
Yeah, I love all the noises it makes too.
Yeah.
Got a little bit of turbo noises.
Short.
Yeah, what he said.
Racing clutch. That sounds so cool. So how do you like it?
It's really fun. I like it a lot, yeah.
Do you ever think you would win something like this?
No.
No?
Can you get on it?
Huh?
Can you get on it on the train?
You want me to?
Yeah.
Yeah? We got a cool car.
We get to take it home.
Yeah.
So congrats to Tracy and her family. I know they're gonna love this car. You can see how excited they were at the very end there, pulling back into the shop. So as they drive home, we're gonna continue assembling the front of this, or disassembling the front of this truck, and getting ready to make it look really good. You can see me sticking on that top cap and test fitting the front of this, just deciding to see if all the time and money and everything that I spent on this thing is worth it. And now is the moment of truth. The C isn't working.
Why?
I don't know. That's the main part though. Like that's what you need. Is that. So as with most installs, some things just typically don't go to plan, and that is the case here. So we need to figure out the wiring diagram and the pinning on this thing to see if we can get the daytime running lights working correctly. I found some pinouts online. Let's see if they actually work.
All right, moment of truth. You get it and figure it out. So 2 wires you don't use?
We stand here and hold this. Really?
Nada. Where?
Right here. Do that again, Trevor.
You on drugs?
Off? Oh, like a little. Oh yeah. Okay, I see that now.
Did you touch the wiring on that one?
Oh, see this fellow. Well, it has headlights, and then it has, but it doesn't make sense that headlights work. The only thing that doesn't work is the daytime running light.
So then only focus on one harness. Then only focus on one wire. You're worried about all these other wires. If that all works, then put this back how it goes, and then figure out the DRL light. No ground. No ground.
Okay. Well, put this back. Because I just want the daytime running light to work.
Well, yeah, put
everything else works.
Okay, put that back how it was, and then we just need to move one wire.
We're confused. So what we're trying to do 2020 LED headlight with the factory fellas on the bottom. The wiring is different. So I printed out, so on this board, the harnesses, or the pinouts, but there's also a harness that, there's a thing that you could buy online. So there's some discrepancies, I guess, that we're seeing, or that I'm confused by. 2017 harness, 2020 thing. If you look right here, we have all of the fellas. So from what I've seen from the picture, you move 7 to 2, 1 to 1 stays there, pink 3 to 4, and then 5 to 8. So we just did that and nothing worked. Then, now, here we are. If I'm comparing this to this, like, you know, number 1 to number 1, number 2 to number 2, everything looks good. But then, number 3, control mod park, is used on the 2017 harness, but it's not used on the 2020 harness. Number 3 is not used, but 8 is. So we move 3 to 8. Number 3 is control mod park. There's some different wording, there's some different stuff. So we were just depinning, repinning, doing some stuff. That harness on eBay is 170 bucks, and it wouldn't be here for a while. But as of right now, like, the headlights work. No matter what, I guess if you use an OEM headlight, your high beams don't work.
So then what? Now what?
Don't know. So we put the low beam back, we put the ground back, we put the turn signal back. Alright, I gave up. I'm just plugging it in and I'm not gonna have daytime running lights. It'll look like this is the first time I've ever... I feel like this bumper's in the way now. Can we loosen the bumper and drop it down? Just gonna go and stick on the front bumper on the truck. Figure out we had a couple issues. So the headlights weren't actually positioned or going back all the way. So I had to trim a little bit of stuff to be able to get them to go on correctly. Now the next thing we need to swap is this front camera. So the 2017 style emblem does not fit. So we went ahead and ordered a 2020 style emblem. And this one is actually a black emblem. Need to trim out a little bit more for the transmission cooler right there. But I love the look of the black housing headlights with the black grille, with the black emblem, with the white bumper with the black trim on it. Kind of gives it that stormtrooper look, which I think looks really, really good on these Super Duties. And then I'm curious, so daytime running lights aren't gonna work. I'm pissed. Fog lights on?
Yeah.
Okay, we're getting somewhere. All right, boys, 2020 LED conversion is almost done. Fog lights work, that doesn't work. Low beams work, turn signal works. We're working on some other stuff. There's a conversion harness on the internet. We tried depinning, repinning. Didn't really work. I think you might need to jump a harness from another one, but I messaged a guy on eBay who's selling a harness and I'll ask him, double check some stuff. But for now, I just wanted to put this thing back together. We need to order a couple little pieces of trim right there, but overall this thing looks pretty sick. So let's pull it outside and see how it looks. We also got the rear bumper done too, so that looks really nice as well. All right, so that is a wrap on the 2020 front end. We're gonna get those connectors, the harnesses. We'll get the daytime running lights running eventually. If not, I'm gonna sell it. Super stoked. It's one of my favorite looking front ends on the truck. Now, I think the only thing we need to do, change the wheels and maybe some of the power steps on the side. I think that'd be good. Well, I'm getting a phone call. Appreciate you guys watching this video. Let me know what you think of it in the comments. See you later.